Here we are in the train room, and I just finished repairing this Lionel crossing gate number 47, the year of my first car. It has one is a little droopy, and I think it's because I used a little heavier wire to repair the light. But they do function, and I'll show you how that works. I have them on a button. It says uncoupler, but it's not really. And I get power to all of these by turning on this remote. So when I turn this remote on, it fires up this transformer, and then this transformer are the lights, you see? And it's also some of the accessories. I've got a train announcement over there. I have an uncoupler buried under there, and I have a water tank there, and then down there you can see that is red and it goes to green. That is the, oh, it didn't go to green, there it is. That is the semaphore, but it's on a button. So when I put this in, I didn't really have a good way of triggering it properly, so I put it on a button as well. So it's a gate crossing that the bulbs were bad and the wiring was bad on this one, so I replaced the wiring. I found bulbs that could work, but they were white, so I had to paint them. But the wire that they use is very flimsy cotton, and the one I have is a flexible plastic, but it's not as flexible as that stuff, so it's a little stiff and not as happy about it all, but it works and it's kind of fun, and I thought that was interesting. So that's what I got done today. Got my kind of half day. I did a lot of yard work earlier, and that wore me out, totally wore me out. Well, it's kind of fun to see the town lit up without the room lights on, isn't it? Radio station. I used to say that was WKXOK or WLS. LS is probably not on a hill like that, but KXOK could be. But in any case, KXOK, I think it was St. Louis, right? And then I got a beacon, so planes don't fly into that. And then there's a water tower. And and then I have this, the water tank for the engines. That, oh, that's funny. Now it's mad at me. Uh-oh. Oh, well. I'll have to come back to that. At any rate, and there's a nice diner. And then there's Dewey's from the side. And there's the IGA, of course. It's just fun to have buildings, and then I call them what I want, right? Because there's the fire station like we had on Main Street, and I used to walk by all the time. In the Methodist church. And the high school. That could be Franklin, I suppose. You know, big old school. Okay. Oh, and there's Coilcraft. Oh, yeah. All right, that's it. I'll post this, and you guys could check out my new fixed Lionel crossing bridge. Later, gang.